Ever had professors with chicken scratch handwriting, overly drawn out lectures, and accents so thick they might as well be speaking a different language? Are you tired, in debt, and stuck in a never ending loop of brain rot while rearranging the deck chairs on the Titanic that is your academic career? Well, then, welcome to my YouTube channel. I've got an extensive post-secondary education with previous degrees in physics, physiology, chemical engineering, and most recently medicine. I started this YouTube channel in 2016 to teach science topics at an undergraduate/graduate level because there was a huge lack of high-quality lectures filling this niche. And although more channels have come about today targeting those areas since I started, that gap still persists for the most part. So on my YouTube channel, you'll find nearly 150 diligently edited videos on upper-level math, physics, and engineering that are both comprehensive and concise. I make all my videos less than 15 minutes long to minimize any unnecessary details and to maintain your attention and respect your time. Each video has a short summary in the description, a list of prerequisites so you know what to learn beforehand, a link to the lecture notes I write on the blackboard, and links to my social media pages. You can also search the playlists on my channel if you want to learn a particular course. For example, my really popular complex variables playlist covers an entire semester's worth of undergraduate complex variables in just over 3 hours of runtime. And I'd say that 4 months of undergraduate material explained concisely and thoroughly in 3 hours is a pretty good deal. If you want more of this, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and of course comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Good luck in your academic pursuits and welcome once again to the Faculty of Khan.